The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, central Harnett County in central North Carolina, northeastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina, until 4 a.m. At 3:34 a.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Godwin, or 9 miles southeast of Lillington, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Lillington, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Godwin, Buies Creek, Irwin, Coates, Four Oaks, Wade, Falcon and Linden. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning has been issued until 4 a.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston and Sampson.